Hello friends, in today's video I will explain Excel shortcut keys to become the faster. There are very common shortcut keys to work in Excel very fast. I will give you the demo with examples in this video. So before going ahead, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video and give the comment if you want to say something to me. Please watch the video till the end. First is Ctrl+1. It is used to format the cell. If I press Ctrl+1, I will get this format cell window. We can easily select any formatting which we want. Cancel this one. Next is Alt+Enter. It is used to insert the line within the cell. Let's example, we have one line over here within a cell. We want to insert a line within this cell, so I will come over there, select the second line, press Ctrl+Enter. It will move to the next line, and once I press enter, it will move to the next line, but the formatting and the adjustment of this cell will become worse, so you need to adjust that one. So now you can increase the width and double click on the row, and now I can see the two lines in the same cell. If I increase the width of the formula bar as well, so I can see this one. If you don't want, then press Ctrl Z from the keyboard and you can undo this one. Next one is my favorite, to insert or delete any column. It is Ctrl plus, that's it, Ctrl plus, and we will get this insert window. So now if I want to or insert a complete row, so I can select the entire row, and if I want to insert entire column, so I can select either row or column and press OK. It will insert for me. Or if I want to shift my cell to the right side, I will select this one, or shift down this side. If I want to delete, simply press Ctrl+- from the keyboard. I will get this time delete option. All four options are same. This is for shifting to the left, this is for shifting upside the cell only, and if I want to delete row, select this option, or the column, select this option, press OK. It will delete the entire column. Cancel this one right now. Now if we have multiple worksheets in a workbook, so if we want to move to another worksheet, so normally we'll use the mouse and we click on particular sheets, but there is a very good shortcut key which I used a lot of time. Control plus page up and down. Control down, move me to the right hand side, and control up, page up, move left hand side. Next is Control plus down arrow. If I have some data table over here, and if I to move around in this data, so what I should do, Control plus home will move me to the A1, top of the table, and if I want to go down, Control plus end will move to the last cell of this data. Again I press home, then I will move to the left hand side of this data. If again I press end, only end, I can see here this is the end mode, and now up arrow key, I will move to the first blank cell. If I remove this data from this cell, and now if I go down, press in end and down arrow key, again end and up arrow key, I'll come to the very first cell from the blank cell. Undo, I will fill this one, and now if I want to select this one, so I can easily shift and right arrow key and then down arrow key, but if I press Control Shift right arrow key then down arrow key, in the same time I can select the complete data. Entire data will be selected in a time. Now again I will press Control plus home. So if I want to convert this data into table, so I have shortcut key Control plus T. Press Control plus T, it will select the entire table for you, and it will also adjust the header. If it is not selected or unable automatically, you need to select this one and it will consider your first row as a header. So now I can see it is a table, it is converted into the table. Now I will undo this one. Next is Control F. We usually find something if you have ever worked in the Excel. So if you have so much of data, so you want to search that particular data. So now Control plus F is the shortcut key for find and replace option. If you click on the option button, you have some more options. You can find within the sheet, workbook. We can also define the criteria, and we can look in the formulas as well. So you need to select these options, then it will filter the find value. We can also use as a replacement, but if I click over here, then only it will come. But if I know I want to replace some data, so I can simply press Ctrl plus H. I will get my replace tag, and I will type my which I want to find, and then type the value which replace with. This is the normal method, but I will explain one more or good example. It can also find the formatting. Let's say I want to change the formatting where the background or the field color is in green, this one, and I want to replace with this one. So what I will do, I will select that row, and then no, I will not select, otherwise it will consider only the selected area. So it is better just leave the sheet as it is. Then we can set the format here, or we can simply choose the formatting from here, and now the replacement would be like this. Now simply click on find next. Next, it is finding, but we want to replace, then I will click on the cells, it will replace. Or if I click on the replace all, it will replace the formatting from all cells, you can see. But I don't want this replacement, so I will undo this all changes. The next is very interesting, which is F4. It is actually used to convert a cell reference to the absolute value. If I am gonna link this cell, if I press simply F4, so it will convert my selection into, if I click over here and if I press F4, it will put the dollar sign in front of I and the 14, and it will make this reference as absolute. So whenever I copy this value to another cell, it will never change. One more useful use of F4 is it will copy the last formatting cell. Let's say my name is Mahavir, and I will make it bold, and I will make some fill of yellow color in it. And if I type any other name like veertutorial, if I want to fill this yellow color, so if I press F4 here, so it will copy the last formatting and it will paste in the selected cell. So it is also very handy. And the last one is timestamp. Whenever I want to enter the date or the timestamp, I can use Control plus semicolon. So but it will not work like this. You have to double click in the cell or press F2 from the keyboard, and now Control plus semicolon, it will insert the present date in this cell. Press enter, you will get the today's date. Hopefully guys, this shortcut key will helpful to you. If you have any query or you like the video, please comment. I will try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please come back again for this kind of videos.